So this is the Samahu-Pepesa Road. It has been in quite a deplorable stage for a while. It didn't used to be like this. The little bitumen you see on it was put there by GoFro's Ghana Foundation, but the quality of work that we did in the past, based on the resources we had, this is the best we could get. Now we are very excited that the trustees of the foundation have approved that we invest over 63 million Ghana cedis to just fix it once and for all, instead of the piecemeal approach that we were using in the past. This is going to be a double seal. Technically speaking, it's even triple. Consider the sub base and all the other amenities that we are going to have. We are currently cutting the sod at a school along the road. So all the road furnishing, including the speed ramps, the zebra crossing, the signages, everything will be done in such a way to ensure safety on this road. We are also going to construct drains where they are required, not along the entire 14.9 kilometers, but at those vantage points where they are required. We're going to construct drains to hold the road in place and ensure that water doesn't settle on them. In the western region, especially in the Takwa area, we have a lot of small streams, and that makes road construction very expensive. So we factored that in. There are going to be a number of culverts that will carry the water across the road without having it run on top of the road.
Adia mobeye nene enye ade foforo. Ye mainstream a ye wo companies bebre, ye wo mining companies bebre. But they be a make us oka infrastructure ye massive. Enye yenye ade bia na ye fan kire pictures and the cameras go first ye ho ade the foundation. Ye nyina ye beji atomu say from Takwa to Abosu to the Amai Road, a road a dutwem. Na ofa ye mensini mu a baby a ya kwan bi a ye giant bi no Go Force Foundation. We wo gidie pa wo mu se de mo aye penti no we de kakra bi se mo betumi aye. Enne na naja is here. May ye this passionate appeal. Munim se municipal yi nyina yakuma kese at the Prestea Bogoso Road. Na enam road na atete apansam ninti. Nkrofo fa oman kese bi so te se Awuduah na ko Prestea. Na sa Awuduah road nso mo na mo chiachia ne nkakra na mo ye ne fefefe te se de mutumi ye. But endi mu mesramu the second phase of the project should be done. Na mo nya no mu trouble te se de mo ba be ye high. Because I want to short route to Prestea.